Alright, cabin air filter replacement in a 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan. Cabin air filter is going to be located behind your glove box, so we're going to need to lower this door. First thing we're going to do is remove the damper. This damper slows down the glove box when you open it. What you're going to do is you're going to take the arm and you're going to pull it towards you. Okay, you see how it unclipped right there? Unclip and pull it out. See, this is a slot. Pulls right out, okay? Then we're going to lower the glove box by pushing these guys up on both sides, okay? Now we'll lower the glove box down. You can see what this damper looks like a little better now that I have it out of the way. Cabin air filter is located in this compartment here. It is clipped on with these clips on top. The door actually folds down like this. These can be a little stubborn to unclip. I'm gonna grab it and pull down the part that's sticking out, okay? Like pull down like this and pull down like this. When I get it apart, you'll be able to see it better, but it's kind of hard to do. But not impossible, all right? Okay, so you'll notice that it's actually like two pieces. You see, there's a piece of plastic up top and there's one at the bottom. The one at the bottom clips into the one on top. So you gotta kind of push it down, pull the door down at the same time. Probably help to get a little flathead screwdriver. Help you push this down. You can see how I got it. You can take this door off now. Alright. And you can pull out the cabin filter. Before you do that, you can see here that we have some arrows. That's the airflow direction. Is always going to be down in these cars. When you get your aftermarket filter, or even your new factory filter, it's going to be labeled. If you need an aftermarket filter, I'll have a description in the comment box. It takes you to Amazon, where you can get a premium filter there. Alright. So this one's pretty new. This car is actually pretty new, so we're not going to replace this one today. Put your new one in here. Put this door back on. Now the bottom part needs to go on first. It needs to go in these little slots right here. That, and then we just clip it on. It goes on a lot easier than it comes off. Alright. And you can just take the glove box and close it. Grab the damper here, clip it back on. And you're all done. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you can support the channel by hitting subscribe, hitting the like button. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment box. There's also that link to Amazon in the comment box for a new cabin filter. Thanks for watching the video.